Hi and welcome, Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. We're here at 17 Pine Hill Road, a gorgeous side street in Easthampton. Behind me, a beautiful colonial. It might look small from the street, but it's quite expansive. It's over 3,700 square feet, thanks to the addition the owners put on in 2000 so that their elderly parents could stay with them. It's got a dedicated entrance off to my right, and it's also got a beautiful oversized living room, dedicated laundry, meal prep area. You're absolutely going to love it. Make sure you stay tuned. Let's go check out the rest of the house as well. The original home was built in 1995 and offers 4 beds and 2.5 baths, as well as a full basement. The rear of the home is perfect for long-term or overnight guests. It's very similar to what you would expect with an in-law style setup. The addition was put on in 2000 and offers 1 bed as well as 1 full bath. It's got a dedicated laundry, a meal prep area, and an oversized living room, dining room. It's 19 by 28 feet. What I really love about the home is that you've got 2 separate and distinct living areas under one roof, joined by a formal living room, giving you the separation you may desire from time to time, along with the convenience of a community space when needed. If not a formal dining room, I think it could couple as a great joint living room. I also like the 3-car garage, as well as a private entrance to the rear unit, which offers plenty of room for a ramp if needed. Well, I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 17 Pine Hill Road. If you know anyone else that might be looking for a home that offers 2 living spaces with a combination living room, dining room in the center, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.